Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, government students. Welcome back to Government 3A with Mr. Weckbach. It is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020, and what a week we had last week with government in the United States. Whew! We are done with that. We can start moving forward. We can get back to our actual learning of government in this class. If you take a look at our agenda today, we only got 5 things. It's actually going to be a very easy day, very short class for you, as I'm sure you can already tell by looking at how long our class is. We're going to take a review of last class, everything we talked about with the structure of the Constitution. Then we're going to kind of get back into that. We spoke about the preamble. We're going to kind of dive into the articles, which will bring us to your assignment and an attendance question. The 5th thing on our agenda today is not necessarily a to-do item, but just a note. Next class, you will have a vocab quiz, all right? That class will be on Friday. That seems weird because today's Tuesday. That brings up another important announcement. Tomorrow's Veterans Day. Don't come to school tomorrow. Don't be looking for videos. There won't be any. You're not going to find any. However, today's Tuesday, so we won't have school Wednesday. Thursday will go back to being a B day, which means Friday, the day we have this, will be an A day, and that'll be the day we have this class. So today's Tuesday, having it on Friday. It's a little bit weird, a little bit different, but Friday, check on in with your A-day classes. For us, you're going to have a vocab quiz, all right? Now, to review last class, let's take a quick look, flip this board over. We were talking about the structure of the Constitution, all right? And here are the key parts. 3 parts to the Constitution, all right? You can divide the Constitution into 3 sections. The first is the preamble, or the introduction. The second, the articles, the chapters, we said. If this is a rule book, the articles are the chapters. That's what we're going to be working with today. And then the amendments, the changes, or the additions, the times where we said, oops, we should add this to the Constitution. We'll talk about that later. The preamble, as we said last class, was designed to fix the Articles of Confederation. So we put 6 goals in there, all right? We spoke about each specific goal of the preamble last class. And remember, those goals were all to fix the weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation. The Articles of Confederation was our first constitution. It did not work well at all. It was very weak, like another social studies teacher at this school. So we created the Constitution, and in our preamble, the introduction, we explained the reasons why, and explain some of the weaknesses from the articles. Of important note, also the first 3 words are we the people. We spoke about this as well, saying, hey, this really sets up our government to be a democracy where the people are in charge. The people are the government. We the people sets the tone for our entire government. Now, to get to the articles, we're going to do something a little bit different today. I don't want you to take down any notes. If you have your notes out from last class, save them. We're still going to need them for next class. But for today's class, we are actually going to be doing a little bit of a research assignment. As I said, there are 7 articles of the Constitution, 7 chapters. You are going to have an assignment that's research-based for all 7 of those. Let's go ahead and see what that assignment is. All right. Your assignment today is to research the 7 articles of the Constitution on your own, whether you're using your internet on your phone or at home on your computer. Research the 7 articles of the Constitution, and I want you to give me 3 sentences for each article explaining what that article is. What does that article of the Constitution go over? What does it explain? What does it lay out the rules for? To give you a little background, each one explains either a certain area of our government or a specific rule in our government. So 3 sentences explaining each one means you're going to have a total of 3 times 7, 21 sentences that you are going to send to me for today's assignment. Please make sure you clearly label each article. Say Article 1 and tell me what it's talking about. Then say Article 2, explain what it's talking about. As always, use your own words. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you out. For your attendance question, let's make it simple. What holiday is tomorrow? All right? You should not be coming to school. Just another reminder. Don't come to school tomorrow. That's your attendance question. What holiday is tomorrow? Send that to me ASAP. Make sure you give me today's assignment by the end of the day, as soon as you can. And if you have any questions, like I said, I'm here. Let me know. This is the first grade going in the grade book for this 6 weeks. So excellent. Do a good job on it. Continue to do the good work that you guys have been doing in this class. As always, have a great rest of your day. We'll see you on Friday.